Today I'm going to show you how to clean out the Dyson DC65, which is an animal rated fur grabbing vacuum. Here we go. So first of all, I'm going to have a trash bag handy. I'm also going to have a pair of scissors, which you'll find out why here in a minute, a flathead screwdriver, and a damp rag to wipe out. And I'm also going to wear some gloves. So this vacuum has not ever been cleaned. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the gloves on. And I'm going to hit the notch right here, the red notch, and it will pull your canister out. I'm going to empty what's in this. As you can see, there's a lot in here. And I'm going to empty it by pushing this down, which is going to release this right here. So, and all that grossness is going to come out. I'm going to shake it, shake. All right. So, I'll close it back up. Put this to the side, and first of all, we're going to look for two filters. First filter is if you flip this up and reach in here, this is the first filter. If you want to clean this out, I think Dyson recommends maybe once every 6 months or once every 3 months. I can't remember. It could be once a month, but I'd clean it just as much as you can, just as much as you think it's necessary. So as you can see, that's the filter that goes in there. The second filter is going to be found. Lay this flat. The second filter is going to be right in here. So I'm going to hold this and spin it. Actually, no, I'm going to spin it to the left, which is to release. And it will release eventually. There we go. Okay, this is the second filter. I'm going to turn it, see where the arrows line up, pull it out, and this is the other filter that I need to clean. Flip the vacuum over, and this is my mom's dog. His name is Jack, and he likes to stand right in the frame. So come here, Jack. Oh, okay. You want to come sit? Why don't you sit right here and you can hang out next to me? Yeah. Good boy. Okay, so I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out any hair or buildup. I have really long hair and it gets caught in vacuums, so I'm sure most of this is mine. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out or just rip it out of the bottom here. And it looks like it's been cleaned. This part has, so that's thanks to my mom, since this is her vacuum and I'm doing the maintenance on it right now. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So I'm going to take this gross hair, sorry everyone, and throw it into the trash. Then I'm going to take this part and this and the third filter, which is actually holding the phone up so I can video this, and I'm going to go rinse it out. So to take this apart, I'm going to, let's see, I forget how to do this. Okay, oh yeah, press this down. No, excuse me. How do I do that? Open it up, and there's some stuff in there. It really needs to be clean. Ooh. There's a lot going on in there. But that's okay, that's what it's used for. So I'm going to open this up, and that's right. So there's a little notch right here that you want to press in and twist this like so, and it comes apart. So I'm going to rinse both of these out, the inside of this for sure, and the inside of this. And I'm going to remove the hair buildup that I see on this vacuum. And so I'm gonna go do that. So here we go. Okay, so I've successfully sprayed down all of the parts and pieces that needed to be sprayed. This is the filter from the ball. This is the filter from inside of here. And then this goes inside of this, which goes inside of this and goes back onto the vacuum. So it's been about 12 hours, maybe a little longer, and the Dyson parts and pieces have been able to dry. Okay, this is probably the easiest part of the entire process. So I'm gonna take the vacuum so you can see it. I'm gonna take the filter, which has dried completely, and I'm going to find the arrow, match it up with the arrow, and align it like so, and snap it into place. I'm going to take this cover and replace it by, aligning the screw on the inside. You may need to set it down to properly do this. And then I'm going to turn it to the right. Hold it in place. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And it is tightening up just like that. It's okay if it still spins, you just want to hear that click. So I'm going to set it back upright, make sure it's locked. Now take this filter, which is now dry and clean, put it back into this container, nice and snug, like so. Close this up until it locks like that. Take these clean components, carefully close this. Clean and dry, I must specify. Put this in here. Going to look for so you just twist it into place, like so. Make sure it's nice and tight. Take this, line this up with this, and just kind of wiggle it on until it fits. And boom, and you're ready to go. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, if you have any comments, please like or comment below. If you like these videos and would like to receive more updates on cool, fun, hip, maybe not hip, but do-it-yourself things that you can do around the house rather than pay somebody else to do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, see you later.